Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about caring for your Mazda MX-5 Miata.
Whether you're a new owner or a seasoned enthusiast, proper maintenance ensures your Miata stays as spirited and reliable as ever.
Let's get started. First up, regular maintenance is key. For your Miata, you'll want to follow these basics. 1. Oil changes. Use high-quality synthetic oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to keep the engine smooth and efficient. 2. Air filter. Check and replace the air filter every 12,000 miles or sooner if you drive in dusty conditions. 3. Brake fluid. Flush the brake fluid every 2 years to maintain braking performance. Keeping your Miata looking sharp is just as important. Use a pH-balanced car shampoo to clean the exterior and a high-quality wax to protect that stunning finish. For the soft top, a fabric cleaner and water-repellent spray will keep it in top shape. The interior deserves some love too. Use a gentle cleaner for the dashboard and seats. If you have leather seats, condition them every 3 months to prevent cracks and fading. Also, replace the cabin air filter yearly to keep the air fresh. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially before a spirited drive. For the Miata, the recommended pressure is usually around 29 to 32 psi. Also, keep an eye on tread depth and rotate the tires every 6,000 miles for even wear. Post-inspecting the suspension components. Inspect the suspension components for wear. A well-tuned suspension is what makes your Miata corner like a dream. In colder months, consider using winter tires if you drive in snowy conditions. And for the summer, make sure your coolant is topped off and your air conditioning system is working perfectly. That's it for today's care guide. With a little love and attention, your Mazda MX-5 Miata will stay in peak condition for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Miata content. See you next time.